Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell, and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this. So we are on the sales page of Perplex AI, and we have a discount coupon code as well, which you can use. So just write this down, PAI3. That will give you $3 discount, and I will also give you one more discount for the bundle package. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so if you want to buy upgrades, I'll give you one more discount coupon. So hold till the end. Okay, so what does it say? And then we have the demo video as well, which I'll show you. So coming back, it says unlock Perplexity AI. So Perplexity AI is the a real AI, and they are using that to pull up the information inside this dashboard. Okay, lifetime access, breakthrough, a never seen before AI app lets you access advanced Perplexity AI research technology, including the latest real-time research and writing models. So for fresh, accurate, up-to-date content creation, unlock this and that. Okay, so who is this perfect for? Bloggers, marketeers, YouTubers, agencies, anybody who wants to scratch or like extract the information in real time. Okay, so you can spend time on the sales page in your free time. I will not spend much time here. So below my YouTube video, you will find the link of the sales page. It will be saying something like grab Perplex AI copy here. Click on that link and then you will come to this page here, and then keep scrolling, check everything in your free time. I want you to scroll halfway to the sales page to get to the demo video. Okay, right. So I'm scrolling to find that demo video for you, where you have to come and stop and watch that demo video. Where is that? It's right here. Okay, so you can see here, when you come and scroll until here in the corner, as you see, then you play the video, and it's 3 minutes long demo video, not very long, and then you come and watch the demo video, which I'll show you as well. Okay, so you go and get this AI if you want it in your daily usage in one-time cost. And let's check some question answers at the bottom, and then we'll talk about the pricing and the OTUs as well, right? So what do we have? Come on, it's too lengthy. We are there. Where are my questions? Right there. So how long will the one-time price be available? This is special launch price, is only available during this limited time launch, and it will increase. Okay, Do I need tech skills? Of course not. Do I need to install any software? No, it's web based. Is this really a one time payment? Yes, today. Inside that, I did see some credit thing. You see here my view credit, so I'm not sure. Okay. And today access blah 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 optional upgrades. So inside that you have optional upgrades, and you might have to buy credit. Be ready for that. Okay. And also it says somewhere premium. Okay, you see premium, so you be ready to pay extra for upgrades and premium version. Okay, what exactly do I get access to? You get access to all of these things. Pause the video, read everything here. Can I use this to make money? Well, you can use AI to do your research and then do whatever you like. Will this work on Mac and PC? Of course, it will work on the browser. What makes this different from other AI tools? Well, just read everything here. Can I create a SEO blog? Yes. So what if I don't like it? You can get the refunding 30 days. So make sure if you buy from me, only buy if you want this. Otherwise, don't buy if you are looking for a refund. Okay, let me say this again. If you want to buy this, if you're sure, then buy from my link. If you want refund, then don't buy from my link. Okay, so make sure you have a clear mind. I like decision makers. Either it's a yes or it's a no. There's no in between thing. Either you're all in or you're all out. Okay, so if you want from my link, then go get it. If you are looking for refund, then don't get it. Okay. I think you should give a try. It's not something like, yo, you buy my software and make money. It's an utility. Okay, it's a utility which you can use to create your AI needs, to fulfill your AI needs, create content, stuff like that. Before I show you the demo video, let's talk about the OTOs, and also I'll give you the discount coupon right now, which is PAI30 30% discount. I think that's applicable maybe on the bundle or some upgrades, but try this. Try this PAI30 and see if that works. If that works, then you will save a lot of money. Okay, so try these two coupons, PAI3 for $3 discount and 30% discount for PAI30. I think it's the same thing. Maybe not. I don't know. Try those two codes and let me know in the comments if you save, how much you saved. Okay. OTOs. Where are the OTOs? Here are the OTOs, I guess, somewhere. I don't know. Let's scroll down. OTOs were somewhere here. Let's scroll down. Okay, so give me 2 seconds, guys. This is your AI, and these are the OTO, the funnel. So OTO 1 is for 37, OTO 2 27, OTO 3 37, OTO 4 reseller 37 ISO. Maximum is 97. You can see here. If you're to go for white label means sell this as your software by changing the name. That's called white label. You can do that and you can get this in $97. That's cool, right? Now let's watch the demo video and save your time. Now let's play this. I have muted the sound. Okay, so you will not hear anything. If you want to listen what they're saying, then go and click the link below my video. Go to the sales page, scroll halfway down, and then you play this demo video. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the dashboard, we have the AI writer. So this is the command center. This is where you give the command using this model. You can create AI images as well. So you can type in your prompt and the AI will create images. You can create code here for your programming, and you can create voiceovers. You can do a lot of stuff as per their advertising. Okay, let's fast forward it, and then I'll go and have my dinner after this. Okay, so these are the models you can use for chat. These are like resources which you can use from where you want the data, which model you want to use. Okay, and that's it, I guess. So go and watch the demo video in your free time. That's what that was all about it. I have done the explaining. You have multiple features, images, coding, normal content you can generate using the AI, but you can watch the demo video in your free time. All right, if you're ready to buy, then go and buy from a link, and you will get the bonus free lifetime email responder as well if you buy from a link below. And I have shown you the discount coupon already. But if you want ways to make money on the internet, then don't forget I have discussed those options in the beginning of this video. Go and try trading if you have the funds available, or you can make YouTube videos. Go and get Traffic Jarvis and get your channel monetized within a month and make money on YouTube by making the videos. Or if you want to get into email marketing, go and get those 100 leads, which I told you in the beginning. Okay, if you want to make real money online, check out the options I told you in the beginning. If you want this AI, then go and grab the link below the video, and I'll see you in the next video. So then, take care, have a good day.